Hey family, we are coming back with week 4 of our wash and go. So, Lisa, let's go ahead and let us know what you've done since the last time we've seen you.
So yeah, I don't add any more product. I just at night I just braid 4 sections. I put 2 on each side. This is the original formula on this side. I split this in 2 parts and just put 2 braids. Same as the new. This is the new side. And that's all I do.
Okay, so we just took your hair down from the braids. That's why we haven't styled it yet. We'll go
Mm-hmm.
ahead and do that in one moment, so we can just let everybody know how to refresh it without having to use any more product after you apply heavily. Um, can you show us real quick one section of how you do the braids at night?
Yeah. Just even if you don't know how to braid, you can just do a twist. I just take half of it and just braid it down. This keeps your hair stretched too. So my hair stays stretched. And pretty much just braid it down
Great.
on the back, and then the same on the other side.
Yep, and you keep your ends loose and good. Okay, good. And even if you wanted to, you can always just refresh the ends at night too.
When I get in the shower, the mist helps the ends too. So I just kind of leave it braided when I'm in the shower, and then take it out after.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, so we can go ahead and just take that down really quickly. And so normally, okay, so let's go ahead and just shape. Give me a good shape. Okay, so then now we just want to go ahead and get the hair ready for the day, and pretty much all the curls should be there and defined. You can just go ahead and stretch in a large section. We're not really going in, and then you can just let the curls fall. And this is where you separate, and this is where you place them. So you're not really depending on where you want your hair to be. You kind of just place it where you want the curls to go, instead of just depending on where the hair may fall. So if you want a nice fuller look around the perimeter, you can go ahead and do that. And then if you want a nice full look around the perimeter, you can also separate more curls. It'll give it a little bit more volume. I would prefer to do that rather than picking, because if you pick, then you can't come in like we're doing right now and just letting the curls fall, because you would have picked, through the curl pattern. And these curls are 1 week old, and we're not even adding any more product. This is how you can just refresh every day after doing the night routine, and the night routine is very important.
Well, technically 4 weeks old.
Well, yeah, this is technically 4 weeks old, and we refreshed 1 week ago. Okay, you're correct. Okay, and then we can go ahead and just do the middle part. And we do it the same way. We're going to just stretch a large section. And if you want it to, fall down, you can let that fall down. And if you want it to, be more, have more of a look with more volume, then you can go ahead and stretch it outwards, if that makes sense. So we want it to right now just go down. So I'll just go ahead and we're going to stretch a larger section. And then we just let the curls fall. Okay. And we're going to do our final section. Just stretch it in a larger section, and then let the curls fall individually. Now your hair is being stretched at night, and then like right now we're just laying the curls down. So this is where they will stay. The hair is dry, so there will be no shrinkage. So this is like your very end product. Okay. If you want more volume, you can just simply move the hair. You don't have to pick because the curls are separated. You can just move the curls back if you want, more volume, or you can just go ahead and lay them down and go back to the bigger section, and then just lay the curls back down. If you want to have more of the elongated look, it's totally up to you. Just go ahead and give us a shake, please.
So bouncy.
Soft and bouncy. And this is no more product, okay? Let's go ahead and go to the new and improved formula side. These curls are very, very, very much defined. You see the refresh that we just had to do on the other side. We don't have to do any of that on this side. It's like everything is just fell right back into place. Okay, can you turn a little more so we can see the front? Okay, so let me just go ahead and just move some of the curls more in the front. But this looks really, really new still. And the key is to add enough product on the first day. If you notice that your hair is not as defined as you would like it to be, then that just means you need to add more product. If you say, hey, I already added a lot of product, your hair may need a little bit more nourishment right now, then, or whatever the case may be. Some of it may have come off at nighttime, or rubbed off on the shirt or whatever. But if you are looking for more definition and more shine, you should add more product. Now, if no matter how much product you add and no matter what products you use and you still are not seeing results, then I recommend getting a filtered shower head. A lot of times the water that we use may have, it may be hard water or may have, impurities in it that may cause our hair not to, be soft and be able to, be shiny. So that's a great factor too. So please consider that. And right now, guys, I'm just separating a couple of the curls too here and showing you guys how easy that is. We just pull them apart and they stay formed still. We don't have to put any oil on our hands. We don't have to, put any water or anything. I'm gonna separate this one. Okay. And just take my time and pull them apart. And then I'll take it to the root. But yep, this side is pretty much done. You don't have to do anything. Just go ahead and give us a shake. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and give us a 360 spin. Okay, so happy holidays, family.